Hello students, this is lecture number 10. I can say L10 on relation and function. As you know, in the previous class we discussed about finding domain and range. So almost all relation and function is over. Today I am taking one extra class, means I can say it is a CET oriented problems. Today I am taking what? CET and ZEE oriented I can say examples. CET and ZEE oriented examples. So today we will see some CET points. Before going to solve, I will take some CET point. What is the point? First point, I can say these are the some points. First one, let n of A has m elements and n of B has n elements, then I can say that then the number of possible relations, then total number of relations, then total number of relations is equal to, as we know in the previous class also I said, whenever n of A has m elements, n of B has n elements, means if you have two sets, it has m elements. M elements may be some element, 2 element, 3 element, 4 element, 5 element. N of B has a some element, it may be 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. In that case you can say then total number of relations is equal to 2 to the power m into n. This we are saying. Second one, let n of A has m elements, n of B has n. Don't get confused. Here number of elements of A is equal to m. Number of elements of B is equal to n. Don't confuse about this n. Here nothing but n is what here? Number of elements of A is m. Number of elements of B is n. Then the total number of non-empty relations, non-empty relations is equal to, the thing is, see, when we are saying total number of relations, means empty is also subset of Cartesian product. I said when it is subset of Cartesian product, that is a relation, means empty is also one of the subset of Cartesian product, means that empty is also one relation, means in this case, first case, empty set means empty relation is also included here. Here he is asking that should not be empty, means he is asking excluding the empty relation, means I can say 2 to the power m into n is same, but I will eliminate one relation, which one? Non-empty, because he is asking what? He is asking non-empty relation, means you have to exclude, means you have to eliminate empty relation, means I can say what is the formula? 2 to the power m into n, same, minus 1. What is the minus 1? It is a minus 1 is this, minus 1 is what? Empty relation eliminated from total number of relations. In that case you will get a total number of non-empty relations, means we are leaving one relation. Which relation? That is empty relation. Third, let n of A is equal to m and n of B is equal to n. Then total number of functions from f from A to B, f from A to B is equal to, what I can say, if n of A, number of elements of A is m, number of elements of B is n, means you can say number of elements of A, if A has a m elements, B has a n elements, then the total number of functions f from A to B is given by, I can say, n of B to the power n of a, n of b to the power what? n of a. This is the formula to find this one. Means I will use one example in this case. First one, these are the 3 points. First case is what? Number of possible relations 2 to the power m into n. Here number of non-empty relations 2 to the power m into n minus 1. And here total number of possible functions from a to b is given by n of b whole to the power n of a. This is what you can say 3 points. These are the CET oriented points. Knowing these points, you can solve the problem, or you can say that how many possible relations are possible, how many possible non-empty relations are possible, how many possible functions we can form. The thing is, see, now I will take one example, simple example. If I can say if n of a is equal to 2, n of b is equal to, I can say what? 3. It implies that according to first case, number of relations according to this is equal to 2 to the power m into n, means 2 to the power 2 into 3. So how much? 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 is how much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Can I say 64? What we can form? We can form 64 relations, because 2 to the power 6, you can multiply 2 6 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32s are 64. Second, same only in this case, the number of what I can say, the number of non-empty relations is equal to, number of non-empty relations is what? 2 to the power again m into n, 2 into 3 minus 1. What happened? 2 to the power 6 minus 1. Is it 64 minus 1? Is it 63? So nothing. If you know number of relations, you can say non-empty relation is making 1 minus. Whatever you know, means if you know the number of relations, you make it is 1 minus. In that case, you will get a number of non-empty relations. How many possible non-empty relations? 63. Then third one, means third one I can say according to this, how many possible functions we can form. Here again, n of a has what? If n of a has 2 and n of b has 3, the number of possible functions, the number of functions, what we are saying, n of b to the power n of a, n of b to the power n of a, means what is the n of b? N of b is how many elements here? 3 elements, means square, 3 square 9. How many functions we can form? Using this n of a, n of b, I can say 3 to the power 2 means 9 functions we can form. Nothing here. You have to remember these 3 points. According to these points, you can find out. It may be any number. N of a, m may be any number. N of b, any countable numbers. Here also same. This also same. Knowing these points, you can say that. Means now I will take problems. Now I will take some CET oriented problems. First one. What is first one? Find the domain and range of the relation. Find the domain and range of the relation R given by R is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 6 divided by x, where x comma y belongs to natural number, keep in mind, and x is less than 6. Listen, yeah? What is the problem? Now find the domain and range of the relation R given by R is equal to given. You consider this thing, y is equal to given, where x and y both are what? Natural number. Keep in mind, natural numbers are what? Counting numbers. Means the numbers starting with 1 up to infinity. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4. But x is less than 6. Means you can take x value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't take 6 because he is saying x should be less than 6. And x is what? X is a natural number. Means I can take x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not 6. I can take x is 1, I can take 2, I can take 3, I can take 4, I can take 5. I can't take 6. If I am taking 6, 6 is not less than 6. So I will write. Now given, nothing it is. It's a simple R is equal to, what is given? This thing. Can I take x is equal to 1? I think I will write here better. X comma y such that y is equal to x plus 6 divided by x, where I can say for all x comma y belongs to natural number and x is less than 6. Okay. So according to this I will write y is equal to x plus 6 divided by x. The thing is, whatever you take x value and y value should be belongs to natural number. When you are taking x value natural number, if you are getting y value is not natural number, don't consider. According to this, you have to get x and y both should be natural number. Means I will assume, I will say x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to what? Y is equal to 1 plus 6 divided by 1. Is it 1 plus 6 is a 7? Yes. This is what both are. X is 1, y is 7. Both are natural number. I will assume x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 plus 6 divided by 2. 2 3s. What happened? 2 plus 3. What happened? 5. 5 means x is 2, y is 5. Y is 5 means both are natural number. Means I can consider this also. Yes. X is equal to, I will assume 3. When y is equal to 3 plus, I can say 6 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos. What happened? 3 plus 2. Again what happened? 5. Can I say x is 3, y is 5. Again both are natural number? Yes. I will use this. Still more. I will write here. Still more. Now I can say when x is 4, y is what? According to this, 4 plus 6 divided by 4. Means 2 it is a 3 means what you are getting? 4 plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means here you are getting x is equal to 4, but y is equal to this, you will get 2 into means y is equal to LCM taking 4 into 2 8. 8 plus 3 divided by 2. What happened? It is 11 divided by 2. It is not a natural number. I can say y does not belongs to natural number. Means don't consider this x value. When you are taking x value, you should get natural number because he is saying x and y should be natural number. When I am taking x is equal to 5, y is equal to what happened? 5 plus again 6 divided by 5. Again what happening? 5 into 5, 25 plus 6, 31. Is it 25 plus 6 divided by 5? Is it 31 divided by 5? Is it natural number? Does not belongs to natural number. Means don't consider this value also. Means what are the possible required values? Means it implies that I can say required. He is asking find the domain and range. I can say required relation R is equal to, when I am taking x is equal to 1, I am getting 7. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 5. x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, this is also 5. And then x is equal to 4, it is not a natural number, it is a rational number, don't consider. When x is equal to 5, this is also not a natural number. For that reason I am leaving this. Means it implies that what is the domain? Domain of this is, domain of R is equal to first elements 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is the range? Range of R is second element 7, 5, 5. 5 repeated, but I am considering 1, 7, 5. This is the what? Required domain and required range of the given relation. Nothing. In this case, you concentrate given and what is x or y. X, y should be natural number. When you are taking x value, y should also natural number. For that reason, when x is 4, it is not rational. This is not natural number. X is 5, this is not natural number. Exclude these two and take x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, means you will get that relation. According to that, you can say domain and a range. This is the problem. Next, second problem. Find the domain for which the functions f of x is equal to 2x square minus 1 and g of x is equal to 1 minus 3x are equal. The thing is, see, according to this, find the domain for which the function this f and g are two functions given, but he is saying those two are equal. Means according to that you can find out. Means when these two are equal, find the domain. Domain means you have to find x values. I will write given. What is the given? F of x is equal to g of x. Because he is saying this f of x and g of x are what? Equal. What is f of x? 2x square minus 1 is equal to, what is g of x? 1 minus 3x. I will take this side. 2x square minus 3x taking this side plus 3x. Already minus 1, take plus 1 this side. Minus 1 is equal to 0. What happened? 2x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. The thing is, 2x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Is it quadratic equation? Means can I factorize? Means what is the possible to factor? I can say this you multiply 2 into 2. Is it minus 4? Minus 4 can be split as, you should get addition 3 and multiplication should be minus 2. Means can I say that minus 4 means plus 4 into minus 1? Plus 4 into minus 1. Multiply 4 into minus 1 minus 4. You will get minus 4. Addition of 4 minus 1 you will get plus 3. Means can I say possible factors are 4 into minus 1. Means I can solve it 2x square plus 4x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. What is the common in this? I can say that 2x is a common. Yes. What happened? 2x goes means 1x remains plus. Here what goes? 2x means 2 goes. I remains x plus 2. Means what is the common here? Minus 1. Minus 1 common means what remains? X plus 2 is equal to 0. It implies that. Can I say x plus 2 is common? X plus 2, yes. X plus 2 is common. Remains what? 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 2, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. It implies that. What happened? X plus 2 is equal to, when two factors are equal, I can say that here. When two factors are equal, they separately they are equal. Means I can say that x plus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. What happened? X is equal to minus 2 and 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. It implies that x is equal to plus 1 by 2. What happened? This I can say x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to plus 1 by 2. It implies that what is the x value? X value is 1 by 2 and x value is minus 2. Means what is our domain of f of x is equal to g of x is equal to, what are the elements? I can say 1 by 2 and a minus 2. Or you can write minus 2, wherever you can write. This is a set. Means domain of, means what is the domain here? X value. What are the x value here? Minus 2 and 1 by 2. In the case of flower bracket, you can write wherever minus 2 you can write first, or 1 by 2 second you can write, wherever you can write. But domain of this is what? It is a x value. X value is what? Minus 2 and 1 by 2. This is about second problem. Copy this. Third one. If f of x is equal to x cube minus 1 divided by x cube, then f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to, what he is asking? He has given option also. First option A, I can say 2x cube. Section B, 2 by x cube. Third C, 0. D, you can say 1. Which one you can choose according to this. What is the condition? Oriented. I said CET oriented. He will give some function, according to that you have to. Means out of these 4 options, 1 will be the correct, remaining 3 will be the wrong. The thing is, f of x is equal to what given? X cube minus 1 divided by x cube. Then he is asking f of x plus f of 1 by x. F of x is there. I need f of 1 by x. Nothing. When you need f of 1 by x, replace x is a 1 by x. Whatever, if you have f of x, if you want f of 1 by x or f of anything, that you can replace and you will get a value. According to that, you will get one of the value here. I will write the solution. What now? Solution of this is what? Here given. What is the given? Given f of x is equal to x cube minus 1 divided by x cube. Yes. Is there? Is there no? F of x is equal to x cube minus 1 divided by x cube. Means to find f of x plus f of 1 by x, I need f of 1 by x. Means here I will put x is equal to 1 by x in above. Here means what happened? F of x place, I am replacing what? 1 by x. Listen to me. X, what I am replacing? X is a 1 by x whole cube minus 1 divided, what is I am replacing? 1 by x whole cube. The thing is, see what happens here. 1 cube is 1 divided by x cube. I can write x cube minus 1 divided by 1 cube is 1 whole divided by x cube. Can I say this will go in numerator? Means I can say that it implies that what is the f of 1 by x? F of 1 by x is a 1 by x cube minus x cube. Are you getting? F of 1 by x is this value. Means what is f of x? F of x is given this. Means I will take this. It implies that what is the f of x plus f of 1 by x. The thing is, what is f of x? F of x is x cube minus 1 by x cube. Plus 1 by x is what? F of 1 by x is a 1 by x cube minus x cube. Listen to me. Plus x cube minus x cube. Minus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x. What happened? Everything happened. This means if everything cancelled, you will get 0. Means it implies that f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 0. Means which one is the correct option? This third one. Remaining is wrong. So on the basis of this, nothing. Only the thing is given what and what is asking and what you need to find out. Means f of x is given. I need to find out f of 1 by x. Means you have to replace x value. It may be any number. Sometimes he will give f of x is equal to x cube minus 1 divided by x cube. He will give f of 2 plus f of 1 by 2. In the place of x, you substitute 2. Whatever he is asking, you concentrate about this. Okay. This is about a third problem. Copy this. Fourth one, if f of x is equal to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1, then what is asking? F of 1 by x is equal to, first option, like he can say here he has given f of x. Second one, minus f of x. Third one, f of 1 by x only. Fourth one, none of this. None means there is no option. Means according to this, if f of x is equal to, he has given x minus 1 divided by x plus 1, then f of 1 by x is equal to, is it f of x or is it minus f of x or is it f of 1 by x or none of this? Means if there is no first option, second option, third option, definitely that will be none of this. Means I will write given. What is the given here? Given f of x is equal to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1, nothing. What we need to find out this one? Means I can say put x is equal to 1 by x in the above case. It implies that what happening, see, f of x is replaced by 1 by x. X is replaced by minus is equal to x is replaced by 1 by x minus 1 keep divided by x is replaced by 1 by x. What happened? Plus 1. Means what is the LCM? It is 1 minus x divided by x. Yes, divided by x into this. 1 plus x divided by x. Is it this x and this x cancel? Yeah. It implies that. What happened? 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. Actually, f of x is x minus 1. Here 1 minus x. Can I take minus common? Minus common. What I mean? 1 minus x will become, can I say, x minus 1 divided by. This will be 1 plus x or x plus 1, no problem. I can write x plus 1 only, no problem. See the thing. 1 minus x. Minus I took out. Means x is plus, 1 is minus. Means minus multiplying inside. Minus x. Minus of the minus. Plus 1. Means you will get previous only 1 minus x. What happened this is what? This thing is what I can say, is it f of x? F of x is what here? F of x is x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Means can I say minus f of x? Which one is the option? Is it f of x? No. Is it f of 1 by x? No. Is it this one, second? Second one is the correct option. This is about this problem. Fourth one. Fifth one, find the domain and range. Find the domain and range of f of x is equal to, f of x is what? A function 4 minus x divided by x minus 4. 4 minus x, x minus 4. Listen to me. What is the given function? Given f of x is equal to 4 minus x divided by x minus 4. The thing is 4 minus x, x minus 4. Is it rational form? Can I say, is it p of f of x divided by g of x rational form? Means g of x should not be equals to 0. Here the condition. Means this x minus 4 should not be equals to 0. When x minus 4 will be equal to 0, in the case of, I can say it implies that x minus 4 is equal to 0 when if x is equal to 4. Listen to me. When you will get x is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4, you will get, you can say 4 minus 4, 0 by 0 form, indeterminate form, and you have to avoid x minus 4. You can take x any value excluding x is equal to 1 you can take 4 minus 1 3. Yeah, 1 minus 4 minus 3. 3 get cancelled, minus 1. Means I can take x is equal to 1, y is equal to what? Y is equal to 4 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 4. Is it 3 divided by minus 3 get cancelled, minus 1. X is equal to 2. I can take y is equal to 4 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 4. What happened? Is it 2 divided by minus 2? Again minus 1. If it is 3, you can take x is equal to 3. 3. Y is equal to 4 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 4. What happened? 1 divided by minus 1. Is it minus 1? Yes. If x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, what happened? Y is equal to 4 minus 4 divided by 4 minus 4. Is it 0 by 0? 0 by 0 is not defined. Not defined. 0 by 0 is not defined. Means don't consider. X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Y is equal to 4 minus 5. 5 minus 4. Is it minus 1 divided by plus 1? Is it minus 1? You can take any value x. You will get y value minus 1 always. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. You can take fraction value also. You will get minus 1 only. Means what is the domain? Domain is set of real number excluding 4. Because in the case of 4, function is not defined. Means I can say domain of f is set of real number excluding which number? 4. Because 4 will give 0 in the denominator. Substituting. What is the range? Range is only one value. Range of f is equal to only one value, that is minus 1. Keep in mind, you can take any value of x. If you want, you can take still more values of x. You can substitute your own values of x. Every time it will cancel because both are same. Only plus or minus will give a difference. You can substitute any one. You will get always minus 1. What is the domain of this? Domain is set of real number excluding that number 4. Range is, it is a only one possible number, that is a minus 1. Okay. Copy this. Sixth one. Find the range. Find the range of the function f of x is equal to x cube plus 1. But for all x belongs to minus 1, 0, 3, 9, 7. Keep in mind. What are the things? Find the range of the function. Find the range and the means y value. Y is equal to f of x is equal to x cube plus 1. X belongs to this. Means x is given. So means I will write solution case. Given. What is given? I can say y is equal to f of x. What is f of x? F of x is x cube plus 1. What is the x value? For all x belongs to minus 1, 0, 3, 9, 7. Means you can take only these values for x. I will write x is equal to first value minus 1. What is the y? Y is equal to f of x means x cube. What is the x cube? X cube plus 1. What is the x here? X is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 cube plus 1 is a minus 1 plus 1. Is it 0? Yes. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to what? I can say y is equal to 0. Yes. If x is equal to 0, second value, I can say y is equal to 0 cube plus 1. 0 cube is 0. 0 plus 1 is a 1. Once what is the y value? Y value 1. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to, I can write 3 cube because x is a 3. 3 cube plus 1. What is 3 cube? 3 3 is a 9. 9 3 is a 27. 27 plus 1 is a 28. Yes. When x is equal to 9, when x is equal to 9, y is equal to 9 cube. 9 cube plus 1 means how much 9 cube? 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9. This you can say 9 ones are 9. So 9 8s are, or you can say 8 9s are 72. Means you can say 7 to 9 means 729. 729 plus 1. How much? 729 plus 1 is a 730. Yes. And then another one value I can say, otherwise I will write here x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 cube plus 1. What is 7 cube? 7 7 is a 49. 49 into You can say 7. You can say that 7 nines are how much? 63. 3, you can say 6. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 6. Is it 28 plus 6 is 34. Is it 343 plus 1? 344. 344. Is it? 7, x is equal to 7, y is equal to 343. Means what is the range? He is asking that range of this. Range of this means what are the value? 0, 1, 28, 730, 344. Means I can say range of f is equal to, range of f is what? I can write here, range of f is what are the numbers? 0 I got, 1 I got, 28, then 730 and 344. These are the required range of the function. 7th one. Find the domain. Find the domain of f of x is equal to root of a square minus x square, and a should not be, a is greater than 0. Find the domain of this. Nothing. Domain is nothing but x value. I can say given. What is the given? F of x is equal to root of a square minus x square. When it is when you are finding domain, you have to concentrate about this. What is the root? Root means I said in the root you should take more than 0. Means you should take positive value. Means what is the positive value? I can say that this under root value is always a square minus x square. Whatever, this should be more than or equal to 0. Condition. Means in the case of root, avoid imaginary. Means don't get negative. If it is negative, you will get imaginary roots. Imaginary roots is not a real roots. Means it implies that I can say a square is greater than or equal to x square. Minus x square, take this side. Means a square is greater than or equal to x square. Means I can say that if it is 2 is more than 1. Can I say 1 is less than 2? Like you can replace this. Means 2 is more than 1. I exchange the number. LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. In that case, greater than will become lesser than will become greater than. It implies that I can say x square is greater than will become lesser than or equal to a square. Square root on both the side. It implies that square root on both the side means square root cancel means you will get x is less than or equal to plus or minus a. It implies that I said in the previous class x lies in between minus a to x. X is less than or equal to plus a. 8th is what? Again find the domain of the function. Find domain of f of x is equal to x cube minus x plus 3 divided by x square minus 1. You know in the previous class I said rational function. In the case of rational function, denominator avoid 0. Means it implies that what I can write? F of x is equal to x cube minus x plus 3 divided by x square minus 1 can be written as x square minus 1 can be written as x square minus 1 square, because 1 square is always 1. Means I can write x cube minus x plus 3 divided by a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. What happened? This x plus 1, x minus 1. Means when you will get zeros, if it is x plus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 1. You substitute a minus 1. X is equal to minus 1, this will become a 0. X is equal to plus 1, this will become a 0. Means I can say set of real number excluding these two numbers. In the previous class also I had done. For that reason I am taking very fast. Now I can say domain is, domain of this, domain of f is what? Set of real number excluding two numbers, minus 1 and a plus 1. This is a finding domain of the rational function. Now 9th one. Find the range of f of x is equal to 3 divided by 2 minus x square. Means range is nothing but you have to find out y value. I will write given. What is the given? Given I can say this f of x means y is equal to f of x is what? 3 divided by 2 minus x square. What is given? F of x is always y. means I can say y is equal to 3 divided by 2 minus x square. Means y value I have to find out. Means I will take this side. Y I will take this side. Means I can say 2 minus x square is equal to 3. Y you can divide here. Multiplying. Or else you can say like y into 2 minus x square is equal to 3. It implies that what is a 2 minus x square is equal to 3 by y multiplication. This 2 minus x square is equal to 3 by y. Means this you can take like this or like this. Means now I will say 2, this you take this side. 2 minus 3 divided by y is equal to minus x square is plus x square. Means what is the LCM? 2y minus 3 divided by y is equal to x square. What is the x value? X value is x square is equal to, I can say 2y minus 3 divided by y. Square take this side. I can say x is equal to root of 2y minus 3 divided by y. In this case, when the quantity is inside root, I said that should not be negative. Means that should be more than or equal to 0. Means it should be greater than or equal to 0. Means here I have two cases. 2y minus 3. This should be greater than 0 and y should be greater than 0. Means it implies that I can say 2y minus 3. This quantity should be greater than or equal to 0. And y is equal to, this should be greater than or equal to 0. If both are greater than 0, then only you will get this is a positive. Otherwise you will get negative. Means what is the y? 2y minus 3 you can take this side. Greater than or equal to plus 3. What is the y? Y is greater than or equal to 3 by 2. And here y is greater than 0. Means y is greater than 0, y is greater than 3 by 2. Means I can say this is more than this. Means 3 by 2 is a 1.5. It implies that I can say y is how much up to? Y belongs to 3 by 2 is include closed interval up to plus infinity. This is the range of this function. So 10th one and 11th one. So I have done 9 problems in this class. So I am giving 10th one and 11th one are very easy. I will give, these are homework. This you try to solve yourself. Homework. This is also homework. Try to solve. Here find the domain of this, means 28 minus x denominator. Avoid 28, you will get set of real number excluding domain. This 28. Here it is a modulus x minus 3. You substitute x value any, you will get y values. You find out what is the y value, that is the range. So what is the range of this? What is the domain of this? So this is about relation and function. In the previous 8 class, previous 8 class I completed set, and remaining these 10 class are on relation and function. So totally I had done 11 plus 6 means 17 marks chapter. Means you concentrate all the classes. So otherwise you can see again and again these all 18 videos. You will come to know very clear about sets and relation, function. So these are the problems. I had done all possible problems in the video classes. So in the next videos, so another lecturer will take a next chapter. This is about mine first chapter and second chapter. If any difficulty about this, so in the regular class I will take 2-3 revision class on these chapters, and we will discuss in the